Why do I always do this, bro?
She's a
bad thing, fine as hell, thick as oh my god, that's my baby.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fendi, but you can call me Fee. So in today's video, I'm so excited. I'm finally doing my luxury unboxing video, and this is gonna be a good one. This is a brand that I stan. Like, I love this brand. I don't usually wear like designer or anything. I just like shopping like luxury, like quality brands, but I don't usually wear like designer brands. This brand, if you know me, you know I love this brand and I will rep them any chance I get. And I will spend my coin on them. Usually I'm a little, you know, like selective with the things that I purchase, but this brand, every time I go into their store, it's just a free-for-all. And you gotta be careful with these brands because you could easily spend 10, 15, 20 G's, and I'm not trying to spend that at one store at one time. So let's get into the video. Let's see what we got. I got 2 items, and then I'm just gonna be showing you guys my newest tech gadget baby, which is a new Fitbit because the one that I had before actually broke. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my new Fitbit and just doing a little bit of unboxing for that as well. I figured might as well just throw it in there. I already filmed the unboxing for this and I didn't have anywhere to put it. So let's get into the video. All right, so the first thing that I said I was gonna be showing you guys is my new Fitbit Lux. I've been wanting a new Fitbit for like a little bit now, just because mine broke, and like going to the gym and doing everything is great, but sometimes I do like seeing everything on my arm, and I do like getting the reminders to move, and just, you know, like I like wearing watches and I like accessorizing on my wrist. So this was actually the perfect accessory for me because it's, as you can tell, it's gold, which, I mean, I wear gold all the time. Like gold is my staple. Gold with brown skin is just, you know, like peanut butter and jelly, they just go together. So I got the Fitbit Lux. It comes with another band, but to be honest, I'm probably never going to wear that band. I'm just gonna continue to wear it like this and
just call it a day.
So I guess now I should tell you guys what the brand is that I love, and it is Fendi. I love Fendi so much. Like, I will go to bat for them. I bought these next 2 items for me, and I also bought a set for my mother for Mother's Day. And if you didn't know, my mother and I share a birthday week. So our birthdays are only 6 days apart, and we usually just celebrate together. And that was a little bit ago, but I purchased mine and I am very excited to show you guys what it is. So as you can tell, just got the little Fendi thing on the inside. Oh, it's like a pouch. Got it. Oh, cute. Comes with the little card. Nice. Little Fendi card. And I just got plain black because I was actually debating on getting the print, but I figured I'd get the print for my mom, and then for me, I was like, all right. I had a Coach like a few years ago that was printed, and to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of like signatures on luxury brands or designer brands. That's probably why I don't shop a lot of them, because now they're more muted, but before it was just like, let me put my logo on everything. Like, you'll probably never catch me in a Louis bag because it's just not my style. Like, I love Fendi, and I like, you know, just like simplistic but very, very high-end brands. So that's why I purchased this. I purchased this coin case. It has the gold hardware because, you know, me, I'm a gold girl, so it has the gold F on it. It's just a really nice. I don't typically wear, like, I don't really use coin purses that much, but I mean, if I have a Fendi coin purse, obviously it's just gonna be easier for me to put my cards in instead of just shoving my cards in all the purses that I have. I'm just gonna keep it in here and then throw this in any bag. Well, I'm not gonna throw it because, you know, it costs a little bit of change and I wanna keep it nice. But that is that. The next item is the big one. I'm so excited. Like, I had one Fendi purse when I was younger, but it was my mom's. I just stole it from her closet, and I bought no other design. Like I think after I had that borrowed, she bought me a designer bag for my birthday, but I didn't really wear it that much. It was nice. It was white leather, but like I said, I don't really like logos, and I'm pretty sure that might have actually been a Louis bag. And it was like the little, I don't know if it was a duffel. Honestly, I cannot remember. I just remember like seeing it and I really did like it, but something about it was like, I don't know, this is doing too much for me, so I really don't wear it that much. I keep it in my closet. And then she's probably like, girl, you didn't appreciate that, so I'm not buying you any more designer. But she does buy me like Dooney Burke, and I like Dooney Burke. To me is like a classy, classic designer. I love their stuff. I think it's so like timeless and just like, it's similar in my opinion to Chanel, just maybe like a little, I don't know if they're on the same level, but like, you know, it's like classic like that to me. So I really do like Dooney Burke. So Mom, if you're watching, I do appreciate those. The next item is the big one. So this one, before I show you guys, just prepare yourself, because I was not prepared. Like even ordering it, I just knew like once I got this, it's a wrap, it's over. And do you guys see how big this is? Like look how big this is. I had to get a tote because your girl, I like little purses, but at the same time, like I don't have any like nice totes that I can just put things in. And I don't know if this will fit my laptop, but I think if I caddy corner it, it'll do the job. Let's get into it. Cue the angel noise. Look at this. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, love. And I love the tortoise shell. I love the gold hardware. Like, you can't tell me nothing. You really cannot tell me nothing. Like, I mean, with this, I thought that this part was actually black, but it is just like a darker gray. So, I mean, black goes with anything. So that coin purse is gonna go in here just nicely because it is a tote. It doesn't have any like sleeves or anything in it. I think it does come with a long strap to put over it. So that's pretty cool. Actually, I think I'm gonna try that out and show you guys what it looks like because I'm too hype. Like I'm ready for it. I'm ready to see what it looks like on me. Like I can already tell, like get into the vibes. Let's see. You feel me? You see it? Look at this. Yes, Fendi. I'm gonna put the long strap on and see what it looks like.
Trade checks, I think we got one.
Yeah.
Rich fat
let me
season,
see
bro.
you. Wow.
Hopefully I get to do more of this because spending money on like designer pieces that you know you're gonna have for a long time, it's just, sometimes you just gotta treat yourself, to be honest.
3 words for you. Treat yourself. Treat yourself 2011.
And I work hard, so I'm like, baby girl, you deserve the world. And guess who's gonna give the world to me? Me. I just hope all the good things for you. For whatever you want, if you want to purchase a designer, let me be the first to say, go get the designer, because this feeling is low-key unmatched. Like, you know? But anyway, that is all. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever you would like, and I will catch you in my next
Oh, you
one.
like 98 degrees and I'm 300. Keep your feet running. I keep when I eat these beats. Better boy, get stopped.